Hello everyone, Investrance Research is back again with another video. Here one of our member Neil had a query about India Cements and he wanted us to analyze India Cements. So before beginning the analysis of India Cements, based on the technical analysis being a professional trader, let me tell you that please, if you have any queries, please write down to us on investranceresearch@gmail.com. And if you have any queries regarding the stock, please comment on the video saying that you wanted to know about the stock. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Investrance Research. Follow us on Facebook page, Investrance Research. And for any queries, please write down to us on investranceresearch@gmail.com. Uh, Coming to the chart of India Cements, as one of our investor wanted to know the outlook on India Cements. So to begin with, as per our analysis, we look at the long-term trend very firstly. Here I have given volume, but volume becomes really irrelevant when it comes to professional trading because the price action and the charts and the candles shows how much the volume is. So you don't really trade uh, taking volume as an indicator. So coming to India Cements, the long-term trend, as you can see, the when the stock was launched, it trended down and in a sideways manner. In a sideways manner, all were till the time it was launched from since 2000, year 2000, 2001, 2003. And 2003 was the time when 2003 2004 was the time when the stock really started to gain momentum when India had the real estate boom. So the stock started trending up, came down a bit, retraced a bit, gone up, came down a bit, retraced a bit. This was a time when real estate sector was at its peak. Till the time when 2008 crisis happened and real estate sector suffered a big loss because there was no demand for houses because and the entire economy got collapsed. Uh, all the sectors of the business runs through a cycle like start, growth, maturity, and decline. So for when the US had a recession and the real estate bubble bursted, so this was the time when the stock started going down. And well, India Cement is one of the company of the cement sector, which is largely uh, gets its business from the real estate market. As you know, the real estate market is quite on the saturated phase. So you can't really say that it's a booming sector like you can say automobile, pharma one when it was at one of the time. So so the stock after 2008 started trending down and since then it has not gone much up. There was pretty less demand in the stock and the stock was trending sideways always. It didn't after the recession it haven't reached its lifetime high of 311 312, right? 330, sorry, 330 to be precise. So coming to the so the long-term trend of the stock was quite sideways, I can say. Coming to the medium-term trend of the stock, say past 6 months, the stock you can say it is in uptrend, making higher bottoms, higher tops, higher bottom, higher tops, higher bottom, higher tops, and one you can say same bottom with this, then but uh, bottom, higher tops, and then same bottom. So I can say that the stock was in uptrend, but not really uptrend, but I can conclude that it is quite a sideways stock. Also coming to the short-term trend of the stock, it is again a sideways trend. It is moving sideways. You can see the demand coming here, demand coming here, demand coming here, but demand not going beyond 173 to 172 levels. So it's not really pushing the stock any up. Recently, there was a news for the real estate sector that it will be regulated, being RERA being introduced by the government. So, so can be a positive factor for the stock, but don't really know. If we can see the previous coming to the demand and supply zones of the stock, so demand is at the points here, but the stock is really for the short-term trades. So you can buy it at level of 150. Consider buying at the level of 150 here. Like you can see that the stock had a demand here and the stock trended up and came down from here. Stock kind of buying happened, but it wasn't touching a demand zone. Month of March when the market was really good. So before that, in the month of Feb, again to this level, 150 levels, the stock touched its previous demand zone and went up, and here was again came back from its supply zone. So not a really good stock to trade, being it a perspective of long term or a short term because the stock is really trending down. If someone wants it for very short term trend, if someone really wants, being a investor, I would have not invested in this particular stock. But if someone really wants to invest in this stock, this are the levels for short term. And if something really bad happens and if stock comes to this level, you can 105, 105 levels, which it came around December or 17th Jan. This was the time when demonetization happened. So demonetization happened and the stock saw a lot of selling, and it came to its previous demand zone. So from where it trended bit sideways and started moving up. So if someone really wants to trade the stock, this is a good demand zone. If someone wants to take the stock, this is a demand zone for a short-term trade. You can wait for the stock. Don't buy the stock at 170 levels because you can buy the stock if the market is very bullish and it is crossing 170 levels. That means that the stock has the market is really good and the stock has the potential to break. If it breaks all the supply, all the supply here, all this supply, this supply here, means there's a good news for the company or good things for the company that will be coming up. So coming to other factors of our analysis, like moving averages, bunching, and flaring. So you can see here the moving averages are bunching. After that, the stock has gone up. Stock has gone up, and here where the flaring had happened, sorry, here where the flaring had happened, and the stock started going up, going down. So again, the bunching started to happen in this particular region. The stock started going up, and as you can see, the lot of flaring happened, and the stock had gone down. So a lot of flaring is happening, and the stock might go down. Can't really say the market Nifty being so bullish these days. So it's kind of flaring happening. So be aware if you want to really take the stock. Put your stop losses at places, but I wouldn't recommend. But as one of our member has asked, I'm taking it. Coming to the other factor, that is RSI, you can see that when the RSI was at this level, yeah, the stock had gone up. Stock had gone up. Okay, stock was pretty much at the supply zone when the RSI was here, right? So the RSI is say 45. The stock is quite here. When the RSI is here at the 30 levels, oversold level, the stock is at its bigger demand zone. So, so here I can analyze that whenever the stock is at it's 53, 54, sorry, RSI is at 53 levels, the stock is at supply zone. So here I can see the RSI being 57, 56, stock is at its supply zone. So you can say that the oversold and overbought levels might have changed for this particular stock, becoming from 30 to 50s level, 50s level being the overbought level and the supply coming in. So I would consider this levels as its supply level, so won't really take this trade until firstly I won't take this trade because of its sideways momentum. It's very risky because you might buy the stock at some level, but the stock can trend downwards more. If the stock shows once the tendency of going down, it's very difficult for it to move up. It needs pretty good signals and pretty good indicators to show that it's gonna go up. Considering it's the real estate sector, which is quite saturated, we don't see into it. So coming to other factors like the candles, what candles it's forming daily. This is the candle which shows that it has the stock has gone to this level, but there was a lot of supply, so the stock has came down, right? It's came down and close to this level. So it's in red candle spinning top. So if you want to see how this candle was made in a particular day, so let's go to intraday chart for 1 minute. So you can see the stock on the intraday level has also trended downwards, right? Also trended downwards. It didn't really go up, so you can say that there was a sell-off in this particular day. So if someone wants to take this stock, this is not the right time, I can say. So coming back to the weekly charts and the daily charts. So I can't really see much of the patterns to be formed in this charts as well. So it's pretty downtrending and confusing stock. Not confusing, but you can analyze at the first place that you shouldn't trade India Cements. So if anyone has any doubts, please do comment on the video. That was the analysis for India Cements. And please do write us on investranceresearch@gmail.com if you have any doubt. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want us to do some analysis of any stock, please let us know. Thank you from Team Investrance. Thank you.